Alright, so we have a visitor over here. I don't know if you guys know who this is.
Yo!
But I saw his video of him driving GT500. And
That's something else.
I think he needs to go for a ride in the Whipple.
Is it scary?
It's on these tires, so it hooks. On the street tires, it doesn't hook. But yeah, he just hauled ass from West Palm.
Okay, we gotta keep that a secret because, you know, I usually get caught speeding.
Uh-oh.
More often than
He drove the speed limit?
Yeah, definitely drove the speed limit for sure.
Yep.
Yeah, all the way over here.
Of course.
Damn, double vlog right here, what's up?
Which one's the one that whines?
Both. Both? All three now. That one needs to.
Ooh, that one needs to.
That one needs to whine.
That one needs to whine. What you think?
Yeah, I totally didn't haul ass over here, okay? I usually get caught.
I can't find the keys to Ashley's car, so we're gonna go take the Cobra out, and maybe eventually I'll find the keys to it. Eventually. All right, we're gonna go for a rip. Of course.
It's like beefy with it.
All right, hold in first gear. Hang back a little. Go up a little bit on the RPM.
I'm at 331 now.
And nail it.
Hold on. That got me off guard.
It's a Cobra for me.
Rev it out. Do it.
Yo, I gotta get used to that, man. That's like.
Take this exit and it'll loop us around. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a famous spot.
This is the spot, man.
Stomp that shit or?
Stomp it.
Yeah, I'm not ready for that, man.
Alright, first drive in the Terminator down. What do you think?
Well, I know I could have shifted a little better, but dude, it was like, the power was just there. Like, damn. It was awesome.
Cool start, not too bad, right?
Not too bad. It's not too obnoxious. What did you, are you gonna make a video out of this?
Yeah.
Did you wanna play with mine?
Alright, we can do it.
You can play with mine. Since you let me.
She's waiting.
She's waiting. Yeah, let's take her for a spin. You can drive.
Alright,
Yeah,
we'll do it.
Yeah.
So if you want to see the full video of him ripping it,
Come to my channel, ThatGuyMarin.
ThatGuyMarin.
Hell yeah.
There'll be a thingy bobber, like right there.
Click on that. Subscribe.
And then we're gonna go rip Miranda right here. Start her up.
This one your neighbors might hate it a little more because this one's like obnoxious.
Roush axlebacks.
And resonator delete.
Oh, of
And
course.
X pipe. So yeah.
Last roof is sick.
Now you might hear a little bit of noises here and there, but just ignore them.
It's a Mustang.
Yeah, it's a much.
You're used to that shit.
I'm proud of you for that.
So loud. Yo, everyone always roasts me in the comments. I make like a mad face whenever I shift shit.
Yo, everyone has their own like personal shifting like faces. Woo!
Shit doesn't go in third gear.
Remember, it's stock. You know how the stock MT-82 is. Yo, you got a little sideways there, man.
Mad face and full effect, right?
Remember, my Mickey Thompsons are a little,
Oh, you're on street comps?
yeah, street comps.
Oh, damn, dude.
Yeah, I know, man. We're good, we're good.
That doesn't compare to the way the whip gets.
I know, man, I know.
On street tires, that car's sketchy.
Yeah, man, that third gear is, you already know how it is.
Yeah, the third gear was not liking it.
Yeah, it doesn't really like to, sometimes they don't go in.
I had some issues before we did the clutch. After the clutch, there wasn't
Yeah.
much of an issue.
Right. I feel like that's the first thing that's gonna go out on this car. I jinked it so many times already, but I think my clutch is gonna go out.
I mean, I bought a spare trans for her car just in case.
Yeah.
It's sitting in the garage. If you know Don Gibbs' car, the Black Roush that I did a review on.
I don't remember.
Makes 780 wheel.
How was that?
It was fun.
It's fun.
He just did suspension in it finally. So it spun, but it spun straight.
Damn.
That's what 97s are known for, getting a little.
Yup.
Get a little
Definitely.
rowdy.
Definitely.
That's why you always see 13, 14 GT500s wrecked. They make so much power and they basically have stock.
And people like they push it right when they're turning. As
Yeah.
like literally as they're turning.
So they're already like this,
Yeah.
and they're like this, and then it's just whoop, gone.
Skirt. Man, hell no.
I got third that time.
Hell yeah.
That's what a little bit slower.
Hell yeah. Yeah, my brakes are not that.
Did I get my mad face on?
A little bit.
Always do.
A little bit.
Everyone's like, you're driving an 800 wheel horsepower car. Why do you look mad? I'm like, it just happens.
It's just a serious pace.
It's just, you gotta put your game face on.
Right.
Alright, just got some Chick-fil-A.
Smack.
Thinking about going out to, oh!
He did not just do that.
Dude!
Yo,
I got it on video too. It's okay, I did the same thing.
Y'all got me
You got
off
used to
guard.
the other clutch.
Yeah.
That's what happened.
I feel like it got harder right now for some reason. Maybe I got used to the Cobra.
Shit. But might hit up the old Mexico and
have a little fun there.
Bernie's. All right, we're gonna go over to Mexico. We got the burners on Turdzilla. We need to get a little bit of air in these. We're gonna go rip it. He's gonna rip it. He has new tires ready to go, so he's just gonna burn these things off. All
Fuck, man. Put me on the spot. All right, let's get it. Let's get it.
right, let's go grab some air in these.
Chick-fil-A cup. Hell yeah.
Oh,
You're just watching? You think we'll be good?
Oh, he said no more.
Alright. Okay, that's all good.
He said no more.
No more.
All right. We're good.
Should I do it before we go?
we were like sideways for a good while.
I love having burners on the car.
That was awesome. I didn't know you kept going. I thought you stopped. So I stopped.
No, I shifted a second.
Yeah, I was like, shit. And I stopped. I saw the smoke, and I'm like, oh shit, it's gonna be.
Yeah, we were ripping it sideways.
You were on the grass a little bit too.
For real?
Yeah, I saw.
Well, the front of the car was in the middle.
I was like, holy shit.
I still got tire left. Still got a little left. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a lot of fun. Nico over here got to go for a ride and drive the Cobra, the Whipple, and
I might have to put a Whipple in my car now.
yeah,
That might just need to happen.
and then we ripped Turdzilla.
Hell yeah, dude.
That was fun. That was a lot of fun,
man. That was fun.
So if you want to check out his channel, it's up here. He's down in what,
Palm
3
Beach.
Yeah, 3 hours away from
3
here.
hours away.
So we'll be linking up again.
Hell
Some
yeah, for
events and
sure.
stuff.
What's it called? Mustang Week?
Well, Mustang Week for sure.
Mustang Week
That's for sure.
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah, so go check out his channel.
Up there?
Right up there.
Hell yeah.
This is Miranda. He's gonna be boosting it.
Boosting
Maybe,
soon, man.
right?
No, that's for sure.
That's a for sure.
We'll keep that secret.
Uh-oh. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Well, thanks
All
for
right.
having me, dude. Alright, yo.
Alright, catch you later. Little scrape.